The United States wants manufacturing back, but there's one problem. It may already be too late. For decades, the US was the world's manufacturing powerhouse. Factories were everywhere, jobs were stable, and made in America meant something. But today, most of the world's production has shifted to Asia. So the question is, why can't the US just bring it back? First, it comes down to cost. Manufacturing in the US is expensive. Labor costs are significantly higher compared to countries like China, Vietnam, and India. Factories overseas can produce goods at a fraction of a cost. And in a global economy, companies will always choose cheaper production. Second, infrastructure. Asia has spent decades building massive industrial ecosystems. Entire cities are built around manufacturing. Ports, railways, suppliers, and factories all connected. This creates speed and efficiency that's very hard to replicate. In the US, rebuilding that level of infrastructure would take years, if not decades. Third, supply chains. Modern manufacturing isn't just about one factory. It's about thousands of suppliers working together. In Asia, everything is closer together. Raw materials, components, and assembly lines are all within reach. But in the US, those supply chains are fragmented or no longer exist. Fourth, skilled labor. Over time, the US has shifted away from manufacturing jobs. As a result, there are fewer workers with the specialized skills needed for large-scale production. Meanwhile, Asia has developed a workforce trained specifically for manufacturing. So even if companies want to bring production back, it's not that simple. It's not just about building a factory, it's about rebuilding an entire system. And that system already exists in Asia. So what does that mean for the future? Will the US ever bring manufacturing back? Or has the center of global production permanently shifted? One thing is clear. The world's supply chains didn't move overnight. And they won't come back overnight either. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more videos on global economics, trades, and the future of world power. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.